My name is Isaac Henry, and I'm a site supervisor for Starway Roof Systems. Yeah, so we're working on a cabin out in Port Matilda, kind of stuck up in the woods a little bit. We're doing a full roof replacement on it with shingles and everything. We're doing some work around the skylights as well, making sure that those are nice and flashed. That way that there's no leaks that get in. It's super steep, which comes with its own issues, you know, whether that's safety or just getting a grip. The kind of coverage, you know, the trees and stuff, it's kind of all packed in real tight. There's a lot of shrubbery, you know, so cleanup makes it hard. Starway Roof Systems is able to be efficient and high quality because our crew, they work fast, they work smart, they work hard, the whole nine. And when you have all three of those, it combined, you get high quality work and efficient work.